Are you an inventor, a startup founder, a small business owner, a researcher, or someone working with IP cell of a university or incubation center? This video is for you. If you have brilliant ideas, inventions, or brand names, or copyrights, or designs, and you want to protect these at zero cost, watch this video till the end. You might have generated many IP rights or have developed a great business strategy, but you might have been struggling with protecting these from being copied by your competitors. The reason? Either the lack of awareness about IPRs or high fee of the IP attorneys. Introducing Academy of Patents, a not-for-profit initiative to provide knowledge, training, and skills to all the IP creators so that they can understand the value of IP rights and get these filed by themselves and save a lot of time, effort, and money. By protecting your IP rights, you can also make your business future and competition proof. Vision and mission of Academy of Patents. Our vision is to create a vibrant innovation and IP ecosystem in India by empowering creators and innovators with the trainings about IP rights. We aim to make India a global leader in intellectual property by 2026. Our mission is to democratize IP. We equip creators, innovators, businesses, academic institutions, and incubation centers, and so on with IP education, training, and self-filing DIY tools. This empowers them to safeguard their IPRs at minimal cost, leading to a thriving Indian IP ecosystem and propelling India towards leadership in global IP filings by 2026. What we do? We offer a comprehensive suite of educational resources, including engaging courses, workshops, and webinars designed to be easy to understand, packed with practical information and hands-on experience. Interactive online courses tailored to equip creators and innovators with the skills to understand and protect their IP rights. And expert-led training programs delivered by industry leaders with real-world experience, eager to share their insights and empower the learners. Join us today. Visit the Academy of Patents website, www.academyofpatents.com. Our social media handles @Academy of Patents, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook. Subscribe to all of these to get amazing content. Registration will be starting soon. Be a part of the journey of making India an IP-savvy country and a leader in global IP filing by 2026.